Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys vivo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys what is 100 mode setting and how to use it on vivo mobile. Friends, you don't know about 100 mode settings and how to use 100 mode on vivo phone. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, first of all we will on our vivo phone setting. After on friends Vivo phone setting, friends you can see this type interface on your Vivo mobile. So friends you will have to click on shortcut setting. After on friends shortcut setting, friends you can see there are many setting as capture setting, it means three finger screenshot. Friends you want to enable, you can enable from here. Friends you want to use your smart screen setting, so friends you can enable guys your raise to wake, you can on friends your double tap to wake screen, double tap to turn off screen setting, you can enable from here. Friends, scroll it. Friends, you can see 100 setting, 100 mode setting is here. Friends, you can see mini screen friends you want to use. So first guys you will have to enable. After enable guys you can see this video how to use it. So friends, swipe here like that and your screen will mini, and friends you can use your mini screen on your Vivo phone device. And friends, if you click at this option, so friends you can set into left side, and friends you want to set into right side, you can set. If you want to increase upside, so like that friends you can enable your 100 mode setting and you can use it on your Vivo phone device. And friends click here full screen, swipe, you can use it mini screen. Friends you don't want to use, click on phone setting, scroll it, shortcut setting, and friends one hand mode setting we will off it and cut it. Friends now you cannot use your mini screen on your Vivo phone device. Friends you want to use, friends again you will have to enable from here, then guys you can use it. So bye guys, thanks for watching.